Every great legacy begins with one clear vision. A vision to serve, to innovate, and to lead. One man saw a gap in product quality and service in the stabilizer industry. From that moment, a journey was born. A journey to manufacture quality stabilizers from the finest raw materials, backed by timely, dependable service. Established in 1994, Spectrumstab India Private Limited has grown to become a pillar in India's stabilizer industry, earning the trust of reputed clients, setting benchmarks in product quality and on-time delivery. With a commitment to excellence, Spectrumstab proudly supports the dream of a self-reliant India in the field of voltage stabilization. At Spectrumstab, we believe quality is built step by step, and our manufacturing process reflects our pursuit of perfection. It all begins with sourcing, high-quality MS frames, prime-grade cores for variac winding, and laminations for our buck-boost transformers. Next, our skilled team winds buck-boost transformers using BIC-branded copper or RR-branded aluminum wires, tailored to customer preference for optimal performance. The heart of our technology, the variac, is precisely wound using advanced toroidal coil winding machines. Coils are then pressed, varnished, and oven-cured. From lamination filling to grinding, from assembly to lugging, soldering and tapping, each step is executed with precision and care. Every variac and BBT is rigorously tested and carefully racked, ready to deliver stability, safety, and long-term performance. At our production facility, every stabilizer starts with precision assembly. Our expert teams begin by selecting the right variac and BBT, assembling them into a rugged MS frame. Along with this, we mount only the best, branded MCBs, MCCBs, and contactors from trusted names like Eaton, L&T, Siemens, and Schneider. Once the frame is ready, we immediately move to power and control wiring, ensuring neat layouts, strong connections, and complete reliability. For oil-cooled stabilizers, the process varies slightly. We begin with motor mounting and control wiring. Before powering up the stabilizer, we complete smaller yet critical tasks, like adding insulation sleeves, checking lugs, and installing CTs. Then comes quality control. Our QC team installs the microcontroller and starts the stabilizer. It undergoes a continuous 24-hour soak test, monitored closely to ensure flawless operation. After that, the stabilizer is put through a rigorous load test using a calibrated load bank. And then, our signature challenge, the 15-minute extreme test, pushing the stabilizer to perform under the toughest conditions. Once approved by QC, the stabilizer is prepared for dispatch. We include a detailed operation manual with every unit. The product is securely wrapped in bubble packaging and boxed in a strong corrugated carton. Finally, we apply the serial number plate and rating sticker, ensuring complete traceability and clarity for our customers. Every stabilizer we produce reflects our commitment to quality, performance, and reliability. Built to last and ready for the real world. With a yearly production of over 1,000 stabilizers and a capacity exceeding 2,000 units, we continue to raise the bar in stabilizer manufacturing. ISO 9001-2015 certified, our systems are globally recognized for their quality and consistency. At Spectrumstab, our vision is clear: to manufacture excellence that inspires customers, uplifts employees, and supports vendors. We are committed to delivering top-notch service in the industry. Our skilled service engineers conduct regular site visits to inspect and maintain our stabilizers, ensuring your production remains uninterrupted. Additionally, we provide detailed service reports for each visit, fostering a healthy and transparent relationship with our customers.
In today's world, power is the backbone of growth. Every home, every business, every industry depends on electricity. At Spectrumstab India Private Limited, we ensure that this power flows safely, smoothly, and without interruption. Our journey begins with a vision to make India self-reliant in the field of voltage stabilization. Over the years, we have grown into a trusted name, protecting millions of appliances and empowering countless businesses. Our mission is clear. We safeguard every device, enhance efficiency, and deliver peace of mind through quality and service. And our vision is equally powerful to see India lead the world in energy protection and power management solutions. As India moves forward, becoming smarter, faster, and more connected, the demand for reliable power protection is greater than ever. We at Spectrumstab India Private Limited are committed to driving that progress by delivering stabilizer solutions that supports India's growth story. Because when the power is stable, progress is unstoppable. At Spectrumstab India Private Limited, we are not just building stabilizers, we are building India's future.
As India charges ahead toward a new era of strength and self-sufficiency, Spectrumstab India Private Limited proudly plays its part, stabilizing power. We build trust, relationships, and reliability.